What I'm about to show you is the only option strategy you will ever need. My name is Caden, and for the last 3 years, I have been working on something called the PRB model, which stands for Pre-Market Range Breakout. It has helped a bunch of my students get thousands of dollars of realized profits, and it is what's gotten me personally my portfolio over 6 figures. This model is super simple, and it works almost every single day. And without further ado, let me show you how it works. All right, so starting with the 5-minute chart, here's what I like to do. You can go ahead and add pre-market to your TradingView chart, go to settings, and then go to session and extended trading session. All right, so for my pre-market range breakout model, there are 3 steps. So the first step is higher time frames. All right, you want to see higher time frame bullish. All right, second, we are going to chart out pre-market levels and find a really good entry for our options. All right, and then we are going to, for the third step, is scale out on the way out. Like the stock could go up, scale out, and then it could fake out and we would still profit, or it could just keep going up and we just keep gaining crazy profits because we're leaving runners. All right, so let's start with step 1. This is AMD, and let's go to the daily chart. So as you guys can see here on AMD, there's a lot of bullish momentum. We just hit this super big gap up here. Okay, so a bunch of bullish momentum. There's possibility for the stock to explode. So that was step 1. Really easy, really simple. Now we go into the 5-minute chart and we chart out levels for this stock. So as you can see here, we have a huge downtrend inside of the 5-minute chart. All right, and then what's really important are the levels where we cannot pass. So support and resistance levels. Here, 3 touches here, a few touches here. We cross out of this level and then we go back and look at how we support, like this level turns into support. All right, so boom, look at this level of support. We hold this level, and then as market opens up, the candle could not close. The 5-minute candle could not close above this level. So boom, bullish momentum. Now I'm looking for a 5-minute candle to close above and break this downtrend. And what did you see here? We saw a 5-minute momentum candle break above all of this. So a 5-minute candle break above all of this. And really key, guys, we want this to be a momentum candle, and we're going to enter into a long position. We're going to put our stop loss just below the support level, just in case we go down and retest it again. If it doesn't retest it and doesn't support it, then we'll just get out for a small loss. And as you guys can see here, the stock just kept going up. We kept scaling out around like a 70% gain here, 100%, 200%, and then all the way up here, guys, 250%. Absolutely crazy on this trade on AMD. A bunch of members inside of my Discord just absolutely banked on this. Real quick, can I get your email address? Because I want to send you something worth $1,000 straight to your inbox. And the way I'm going to do that is through my 5-step PRB trading strategy that I use every single morning in the first 15 minutes of market open to hit trades like this. And I'm going to send you this completely for free. And other creators charge $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000 for this type of checklist. And I want to give out to the people, so I'm going to be giving it out completely for free. All you have to do is go down to the description of this video and I will see you on the other side. All right, we're going to go ahead and look at another example of a stock we got into yesterday. All right, so this was on PLTR, and as you guys can see here, these went absolutely crazy. Actually 70%, I'll put it on the screen, 70% gain on this trade, guys, because we're trading out of the money call options. We're just absolutely printing off this because everybody's seeing that it's a breakout, so a bunch of implied volatility is coming into the contracts. So even this little move, guys, the stock PLTR only moved a few dollars, but we got a 70% gain on these contracts because of the implied volatility, because of market open, and because the stock is moving because it's breaking out. So yeah, PLTR in an uptrend inside of the daily chart. And then as you guys can see here, we're doing really good in pre-market. Okay, usually PLTR is correlated with the S&P 500. And on this day, when all these 5-minute candles are making higher highs, as you guys can see here, PLTR is making higher highs. S&P 500 literally at the same time was making lower lows. So this stock is an outlier stock. It has a bunch of bullish momentum, and we're going to be looking for a breakout entry here. So as you guys can see here, I charted out this level because we're in uptrend. I wanted it to continue and charted this level. I told you guys I want to see a breakout of this level. And what happened? 5-minute candle broke above. We entered in long and just right away these went crazy. I put my stop loss just below this low right here, and just literally super tight risk to reward, guys. It was super good. 70% gain. We sold for a 30% gain, 50% gain, and then a 70% gain. I think I left like one contract as a runner, but literally super banked. Everybody in my Discord banked on that one also. Yeah, if you guys are not already in the Discord already, everybody is banking. Look at the past 6 trades I posted in here, guys. We're just absolutely on fire. We got my guy here who banked on AMD. Bro, AMD, thanks. Bro, you're the GOAT. All my Amazon loss and more. Let's go. Yeah, go ahead and join the Discord, guys. It's completely for free. Here's some testimonials. We actually took $500 to 10K in 10 days. With this strategy, guys. It was absolutely crazy. We only took 1 loss. It was a 10-day streak, guys. We were absolutely on fire, and just a bunch of great reviews. If you guys come check this out, the link is going to be in the description of this video or in my bio if you want to join. And yeah, guys, this strategy is literally overpowered. If you guys are not already in the Discord using the strategy, what are you doing? Everybody's printing. And the really good thing about this strategy is, like, you're done for the day before 10 a.m. guys. Like, you literally just wait for the first, the second 5-minute candle to close, and then once that closes above your level, you enter in the trade, and then you just set and forget. It's literally that simple, guys. You set your take profit orders, you size accordingly, and you're just done for the day. And either your take profit gets hit right away or it gets hit later in the day. So it's really simple. Took me a long time to craft this strategy, and all my students in my Discord have just been printing off of it, and you definitely can too. And I will see you inside the Discord. Use this strategy, guys. It's overpowered, and that 5-step checklist is going to be in the bio also. I use that every single morning. I have the PDF file checklist just in the corner in my other monitor, and I look at that when I'm making my watch list. I'm looking for my setup, so you can get access to that for free inside in the bio of this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the Discord. Peace.